Sanibona nonke nibuka le video. I-video le it's about ama-Newton's laws. La sokwenza ama-Newton's laws. Question 2 lona. Free State ngoJune 2025 la ngoba ngibhalile la phansi. Then i-question yethu ithi inama-question akanjena-ke 2.1 up to 2.1.4 yabona. Sigcina lapha kuphela. Then sokwenza le question le. Then bathi two blocks A and B having same dimensions of masses m and 4m are connected by a light inextensible string. Sinama-block awu-2 then anama-dimensions afanayo. Kusho ukuthini lo? Kusho ukuthi lawo ma-variable asuke khona lapho ayafana. U-m lo la uyafana lo m ola. Basho lokho. Then basibethi mass iya-block iya-block lokuqala ngithi yabo qale ngo-A la. Then i-mass abayisho la ukuze ungakudidi. Kusuke kuyiyona mass yakhe le engithi kuqalwe ngayo nala kuqalwe ngayo mase kuname ama-mass then eka-B u-4m ngokubona laba syndicated ba-connectwe nge-string esinjani esinga-stretch esinganwebeki then i-string nje esi-right then esinganwebeki mangabe lo enyuke yaphezulu then are pulled up in the inclined plane with a force of magnitude of 56.8 Newton. Omabili lama-block ukuze ekhuphuke adonsiwe lana-ke ngaleyo force leyo ukuthi anyuke engangale number le then le number then basibethi the incline is making an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal. I-horizontal yethu angithi yile then i-horizontal le i-angle ekhandekayo since lento into ephakeme kanje akusinte i-straight line then indawo ekhuphukelayo i-angle ekhandekayo-ke i-30 degrees then basibethi i-mass ye-string may be ignored. Shuthi le mass yale string lesi kumele sizibe singayi-count la kuma-calculations wethu ingakho besho njalo vele asikwazi ukuthi i-count. Basho ukuthi ayi-affect lutho i-mass yale string lesi even noma bekuthiwa sisinda kakhulu kodwa lokho thina sikunaki lokho. Then basibethi the system accelerates. Mabethi system basho ukuthi yonke lento le iya-accelerator up to the inclined plane at a constant acceleration. Nayi i-constant acceleration yabo ukuthi ubani then iya-accelerate shuthi iyakhuphuka iya-up njengoba besho la accelerate up iyakhuphuka iyaphezulu nge-speed esingaka i-acceleration ngithi yabo nama-units nangempela siyakubona lo ama-block oyi-2 baxhume ngentambo then i-force applied le ukuze wakhuphule. Then basibethi the coefficient of kinetic friction for m and for m are 0.1 and 0.4 respectively. Lo respectively uchaza ukuthini? Uchaza ukuthi since beqale la the coefficient of kinetic friction for m shuthi lo m lo angithi kuqale ngayo ngoba bethi respective basho ukuthi ngokulandelana kwakhona baqale ngale mass le then mase benema ngapha baqale ngayiphi i-coefficient of kinetic friction baqale ngale kusho ukuthi le mass le iyona kinetic friction yakhona la iyamzana le then u-4m ngoba beneme number 2 makusaname ama-mass wamsana nale coefficient of kinetic friction mase u-0.4 because bayineme after u-0.1 then kukanjalo. Basibethi define the term kinetic friction then uzodefine i-kinetic friction ukuthi is because i-force kinetic friction is a force that opposes emotion of a moving object, not of a stationary object. It opposes emotion a moving object relative to the surface. Iyafana ne-frictional force but definition awafani. Then basibethi cela ungayibhali la because vele ngithi ikhona kulo emanotini wakho la sizo-understand ama-questions nokuthi mabewabuza thina siphendula kanjani. Basibethi explain why coefficient of friction for two blocks A and B are different. Babuza ukuthi i-coefficient of friction na i-coefficient of friction 0.1 and 0.4 0.4. Babuza ukuthi why lama blocks omabili engafani kodwa ahamba kwi-surface eyodwa since nje noma kuthiwa basitshelanga vele basitshelanga la ukuthi i-surface yethu i-rough angithi basitshele i-kinetic friction kusho ukuthi i-rough because i-coefficient of kinetic friction yona ikhuluma ngani, i-describe i-roughness i-surface. Babuza ukuthi yini ingafani-ke womabili ama-blocks. Angithi i-surface iyodwa i-rough ngokufanayo i-surface yethu. I-rough ngokufanayo, imakhehlekhehle ngokufana. Iy'khinzi zakhona zingokufana nje zomobili azogcina ihambe kulezo y'khinzi. Kodwa yini indaba ukuthi lona une-mass enkulu because angithi u-mass m la maku-2 u-2 kodwa le ngoba ino-4 u-4 multiply by leyo number-ke. Shuthi lona-ke i-mass yakhe seyinkulu. Shuthi i-friction asezoyilo khonjake sezo-experience yena-ke seyizoba kanjani-ke because sene-mass enkulu then ingaba ukuthi iba ncane noma iba nkulu. Yabona ngaba kanjalo kuzophazamiswa ile mass la ukuthi ayisalingani manje mayicindezela phansi emakhehlekhehlela akusafani noma icindezela naku-A. Kusho ukuthi mhlawumbe singathi mayinkulu i-mass then i-friction izoba ncane because yabona ngithi iy'moto ey'nkulu mangabe zihamba emgwaqeni angithi ogedlizelayo kuba njani, awazwakali iy'khinzi leza ayizwakali kakhulu kodwa mangabe kuyimoto encane izwakala kakhulu. Singasho kanjalo but kodwa-ke babuza ukuthi why, ngizosho ukuthi i-mass yala elingani neyala noma uthi i-material ekhande la ayifani yala, ngaloko kuchaza ukuthi ama-masses akhona awafani. Ingaba kanjalo then base bethi ngathi different materials. Womabili anamanye ama-different of material made up of different materials or different masses. Iwona-ke senza ukuthi lo munye experience encane lo munye experience enkulu kodwa-ke still uba rough kwalezo surface kukodwa akushintshwe. Then base bethi 2.1.3 base bethi draw a label free body diagram showing all the forces acting on block A. I-free body diagram sirepresenta lesi objects bani somdweba is for block A simrepresenta by i-dots. Then i-dots leli then base bethi sidobe i-free body diagram yakhe ku-block A. For block A, this is block A, then ama-force actor kuye because we are upward, force yiphi ile force le, force F, then another force because angithi uyaphezulu, then enye force actor kuye ile force ekhandeka la kule ntambo le udonsa lo ngapha ngisho ukuthi khona iforce e-apply-ekayo. Yiphi siyibiza ngani force yakwi-string? Siyibiza nge-tension force. I-force esuke la kule rope siyibiza nge-tension force. Okay, then since ene-mass shuthi yiphi force azoyi-experience i-weight izoba nani ne-weight izoba nelokhunjani ne-gravitational force izoba ne-force efuna ukudonsa le-object downward. Yabo since nawe ngithi umuntu mangabe exhuma then uyibona sebuya phansi engazi ubuyiswa yini, ubuyiswa yileyo force of gravity-ke leyo-ke esuke ekuthakuye. Then masidweba-ke then imaphi ama-force actayo ilo force F angithi kuqala sombhala sithi u-force F angithi yabo ukuthi akayikho straight ikwi-incline ukuthi incline yethu ikanje yabo into ehamba kanje. Then kodwa wena ungakudwebi lokhu noma ungakudweba-ke mhlawumbe bese uyagrabha then so uzothi i-force actayo yiphi iloya force F u-acta be-parallel to the surface ngoba uyabo i-space kusuka between lawo line boyi-2 si-equal shuthi kumele kube parallel. Sisho njalo-ke into mayi-parallel then force F la ungawenza ukuthi u-equal to mhlawumbe then kanje. Then enye force because kuyiwa phezulu la basitshelile ukuthi kune-kinetic friction angithi okay singakayi kuleyo force le object ine-mass shuthi inani experience le-gravitational force inale force lefuke kuyiphula downward then kusho ukuthini-ke kusho ukuthini leyo force ihlezi acta downward angithi straight downward not like izokuthi downward kanje lona kusuka downward mayiphuma nje akusuka downward lo uyabona u-downward lo straight ushona phansi then leyo force leyo izo-acta downward kanje angithi leyo force siyibiza nge-gravitational force noma sibize ngani nge-weight kanje. Then enye force because the object ikwi-surface khona le force le i-normal force ifuna sibiza nge-normal force leyo force yenza njani-ke it's x perpendicular to the surface. Yeah, leyo force, i-normal force ile force ilokhunjane i-surface eyi-experiencer to i-object, then yeah leyo force leyo ke it acts upward kanje, then mesiba perpendicular to the surface shuthi mangabe ku ila izo acta it, then i-angle eba between bona izoba 90, then because lokho sekuthatha njenge-surface leyo force leyo kumele yenze since okay size la leyo force ithe normal force, then i-force i-surface eyi-exerta kuphi kwi-object, i-surface yethu le izoyi-exerta kuphi-ke ngeke iye phansi izoyisa upward hlezi opposite to ilokhunjani i-gravitational force, then sonza njani shuthi izokhuphuka kuphi izothi straight kodwa i-angle kumele ikhandeke la izoba ubani u-90 noma iqalise la i-angle izokhandeka la kuzoba u-90, then izoba kanjani-ke shuthi le force le yebo ukuthi izoba njani kufana nokuthi perpendicular masiqala sithi la sithi 90 lo, then iyo le iyakhuphuka, then shuthi perpendicular to lo line shuthi kumele i-act kanjani ithi i-normal force-ke le i-normal force, then lo angithi vele ku-surface, then shuthi i-angle la funa ibe u-90, then ukanje i-normal force i-acta perpendicular to the surface, i-surface lapho khona le object, then iyo-ke le, then mese kuba yiphi i-force enye because kune-tension la i-object yethu iya phezulu, then i-tension le iya kuphi-ke i-tension le izoya downward kanje because ifuna ukuzodonsa lo angithi u-B, then funa iye kuye ku-B lo emdonsayo, then ibe kanje i-tension le nayo i-acta parallel to the surface kanje, ngeke vele i-parallel ngeke uyithole sokuthi wena sozothi ngoba kanje sozothi ayihambe kanje ihamba straight kanje njengoba uyibona la izi-line owodwa nale ngapha still kuseyili kanjalo, then because basitshela ukuthi kune-coefficient of kinetic friction lento le representa i-roughness of i-surface ukuthi i-rough kangakanani, then kusho ukuthi kune-kinetic friction noma ne-frictional force acta lapho. Leyo force leyo enza njani i-frictional force ibiza ngani i-force enciphisa ispeed se-object, yeah leyo force leyo ekhandekayo as i-object ihamba kwi-rough surface, leyo force siyibiza nge-kinetic friction noma nge-frictional force, then so yi-expressa ngobani ngo-F omncane la, then tension wale, then kukanje iyona free-body diagram yethu lena-ke. Then mase sindlula siza la kwenye question yokugcina ithi calculate i-mass of block B, yeah then ublock B, ublock B ngoba ku7 marks, then kodwa ke into okumele uyi-notice ukuthi kuma-Newton's laws kumele uqaphele ukuthi lama questions lawa awo 4 marks up to maybe 7 marks ngeke kuthiwa usayisebenzisanga iformula ye-Newton's second law ethi F net equal to ma, kumele uphephele kuleyo formula njalo uqale kuyona, then yeah kuba kanjalo, then i-mass ka-block B esifunayo block B lo, then u-block B sifuna i-mass kabani ewu-4m mass, sifuna leyo mass, then lo 4m lo nalawo ukhona lo m siyakubona lokho singathola kanjani-ke i-mass yalo, then iformula esiyaziyo nje for ama-Newton's laws like include i-mass yiphi leyo formula, singathi iformula ethi F net is equal to ma, Newton's second law formula kanje for siza for it's calculator for ublock A, esithi block A la, then into esifuna yiphi i-level ka-m le yangithi, then-ke sesizo-identifya so sazama ngithi ngoba siyazi ukuthi u-m ilo, then sesizobona ukuthi sizophuma kanjani i-answer yethu. Uya-substitute i-net force yiphi i-sum of all u-net force lo net uchaza ukuthi sum of all forces imaphi-ke ama-force lawo kusuke kukhulunywa ngawo, ama-force lawa acta khona kule direction leyo noma kuleyo region noma kuleso space lapho khona i-object imuvela ngakhona, shuthi uma imuva kuma-x axis along the x axis object i-net force elapha izokhandwa imaphi ama-force along the x axis, uma imuva along the y-axis ine-force lapho izokhandwa imaphi yilama-force lawa across noma along the y-axis. Sizobheka yethu ukuthi i-object ihambela ngakuphi. Ihambela ngakuphi i-object yethu sikhuluma ngo-B. Uhambela along akusiwa ama-y-axis. Sikubiza ngama-z-axis-ke lawa ngithi yabuka kanje. Noma sithi along the incline. Kusho ama-force azokwenza azoba i-net force. Azokhanda i-net force lawa along the incline. Like ahamba kanje. Kusho masiza ku-report diagram yethu imaphi? Yilawa kuphela. Then sozokhumbula-ke ngoba khona ngiyazi khona uzoyikhohlwa. Yiphi-ke lena ongamele uyikhohlwe? Ukuthi le u-FG i-weight iyadivideka into 2 components. Then mayidivideka into 2 components kuba kanjani? Angithi i-weight le sithini? I-weight yethu le FG yabo uyadivideka into components. Since le kuyini? Kuyi-incline surface yabo. Incline surface. Lena u-weight nje ojwayelekile. Then mangabe sedivideka into 2 component uzodivideka kube i-component iphi? I-FG parallel and FG perpendicular. Weight parallel no weight perpendicular. Then ikhandeka kanjani-ke leyo nto? Then sizokwenza kanje. U-weight perpendicular ukhandeka kuphi? Ngoba perpendicular, lo perpendicular ukhandeka kuphi? Ukhandeka kwi-surface. Then u-parallel nayo ukhandeka kuphi? Kwi-surface. Okay, nayo i-surface yethu. Shuthi mayi-parallel, masino is-parallel, kumele abe parallel to i-surface. Shuthi kumele ahambe kanje noma ahambe kanje. U-perpendicular namele akhande ku-surface. Shuthi la mangabe ehlangana nale line lo, kumele bakhande 90 degrees. Si-divide kanjani-ke? Because angithi i-surface yonke le, i-surface. Then since u-weight lo, le weight yakhe le parallel, ukuze uyazi ukuthi because ungathi wena iya le, ukuze uyibone ukuthi yaphi, kumele wazi ukuthi angithi i-weight iya downward. Futhi still noma kuseyi-component ye-weight e-parallel, ngeke iye phezulu. Phela i-weight ayithi object ma ayiye phezulu because uma ubuyela phansi kusuke kusebenza i-gravitational force. Gravitational force yenza njani? Ithi object ayiye phansi. Then yiphi-ke leyo force ekumele i-FG parallel kumele akhandwe yiphi? Kumele akhandwe yile yehlayo because mayehla ikhombe arrow ithi ayiye phansi le object ingigcina ila kule surface. Akumele iphakame. U-weight parallel wethu-ke ukanje, FG parallel lo. Then i-angle yethu le. Then bese siba no-weight perpendicular. Kumele abe ekhanda u-90 degrees. Nani? Lana ngithi sino normal force vele la. Normal force acts perpendicular to surface. Perpendicular to surface. Then u-weight parallel perpendicular naye kumele akhande u-90 degrees. Kodwa naye uyaphi? Uya downward because la uya upward lo. Upward uhamba ngapha. Then le iza downward iba perpendicular to i-surface. Ikhanda u-90 nayo la. Then siyibiza ngu-FG parallel. Yabo zonke lezi zinto sakhomba la le region le phansi, i-region ephansi because u-weight uyidonsela phansi. Ikanjena-ke. Imaphi ama-force? Ngeke siqedele. Lo ma-indicate lama components wethu then wenza njani-ke? Okay. Le awuyi-indicate, awu-indicate we-3. Usho ukuthi lo uyakwazi ukuyimela yedwa. Then ahlale yedwa engaphazamiseki. Lawo babili badinga ukuthi babe ama-partners, babe bawu-2 lo angabikho. Kukanjalo-ke. Then shuthi lo akaphuma. Then siqhubezela ama-force wethu. Khona u-force F. Then khona bani? I-frictional force. Sithe ama-force sizowenza la because object ihambela along the incline. I-net force ikhandwa lawo ma-force. Imaphi ama-force? Lawo 3. Then object yakuphi? Iya upward. Angithi bathi accelerate up. Then sesi-check i-direction yethu sithi-ke upward la ihambela ngakhona object la iya khona sithatha as a positive because ama-forces angama-vectors ane-magnitude and direction. I-magnitude yawo ukuthi mhlawumbe iwu-20 then i-direction ukuthi upward or downward. Kukanjalo-ke. Yeah, or right or to the left, just the direction. Ama-force azokhanda i-net force imaphi? Ilawo 3 angithi. Ilawa ihambela ngakhona object. Lawa amanye uyakhohlwa iwona. Then sizowenza-ke. Shuthi u-upward u-positive angithi. Shuthi kuleli side lo ngoba uya upward sothi simthatha as positive, lawo wethu waya downward simthatha as u-negative lawo wethu. Or okunye uma ngabe sekudida indaba FG parallel ukuthi ngizoyenza njani, kumele wazi ukuthi ya kodwa ngichazele ngendlela e-right, or sungenza ngendlela ukuthi njalo ihlezi iya toward enhle lesukila. Yeah, kodwa kanjalo, just always go toward the ground, i-FG parallel kanje. Then sesiyo-add ngithi net force isum, then i-force esinayo u-force F u-positive because sithi sum plus siyawa-adda wonke lama-force yiwo akhanda i-net force plus u-frictional force ngoba yena uya downward, then sothi u-negative because angithi ama-directions wabo awafani. Sibe sithi plus yiphi yokugcina engekho, FG parallel uya downward, then ufaka ama-brackets negative indicator i-direction yakhe ukuthi ya down. Then asephelele-ke ama-force iwo-3, then sesiqedile ngokusubstitute u-net, then sesiza ku-M, then size ku-A, then MA, then sisubstitute-ke, then it's for block B lo, block B wethu, then so substitute i-force ewu-F, then okay sorry block A lo, it's block A, yeah right, ngithi block A kukanje, angazi bese ngenzani, it's block A la, yeah u-block A wethu lo. Okay, sorry for ukwenza lokho, but-ke asingakuthusi sithi block B, senze block B la, ungakunaki konke lokho sobona kuzosebenza. So kwenza because sifuna u-block B, sifuna i-mass ya B iwu-4m, ifomula efaka u-m nje i-mass yiphi ilethi F net is equal to MA, then i-net force yakhona imaphi ama-force akhanda i-net force ku-B, then sizodweba-ke i-free body diagram ka-B for u-B, then sorry la i-free body diagram ka-A le, ya ka-A, ya then sesizodweba i-free body diagram ka-B ukuze sithole wonke ama-force enza njani, ya bekungaka-A la ngisho ngaphambanisa, then sesizodweba eka-B ukuze sikwazi ukuthi substitute i-net force yakhe wonke ama-force lawo. So idweba kanjani-ke, then sizothi representa as a dot object i-free body diagram yakhe le, then yabo acts along the incline, then representa incline yakho wena ngomsizi la uthi, then represent iyona object yethu B lo, une-weight acts downward, always acts downward i-weight. FG, then normal force always acts perpendicular to the surface. Shuthi la between yona nani kumele kukhande u-90 degrees, 90 degrees ukhandeka kanjani kanje, then shuthi yena i-acta kanjani, i-acta kanje, i-normal force le. Then mase kuba nani lo B lo, ubheka u-B yedwa, u-B le force le acta la i-tension, i-force between i-string nayo iyisa kuphi, iyisa upward angithi, then kusho ukuthi i-force acta ku-B eyikhuphula iyisa le phezulu yiphi, i-tension iya kuphi, idonsela phezulu, then tension yethu uthi u-acta parallel to the surface nayo as ku-indicate-iwe laphana u-tension. Then because kunani kune-coefficient of kinetic correction, shuthi kunani there's a frictional force la ku-4m. I-frictional force always oppose motion objects, shuthi ngabe object iya phezulu, i-frictional force yona izoya kwi-opposite direction, shuthi kumele ibe-opposite direction izoya kuphi-ke, iya le opposite direction nayo i-acta parallel to the surface, kusho space between the force nala siyalingana. Then seyiphelele-ke i-free body diagram ka-block B. Then into esizoyinothisa ukuthi njalo modeling incline surface kumele ungakhohlwa ama-component ka-weight, yiphi-ke yodwa ile kahle, noma sizobamba ngokuthi u-extenda i-normal force, then sekuyiyona, then so uthi FG perpendicular lo then perpendicular to i-surface. Lena masudweba lawa ama-components le uyayikhipha le awuyifaki. Then mase ufaka yiphi enye u-FG parallel u-actor parallel to the surface kodwa uzoya kuphi downward toward the ground or toward the angle ngekaye phezulu because i-weight isa downward yonke into noma i-gravitational force isa downward yonke into. Then u-FG parallel to the surface. Then khane sizo-substitute-ke ama-net forces upward simsetheze positive, then i-force yokuqala ekhona u-tension upward positive plus because i-net siya-add yiphi force enye frictional force noma u-F like ungathi u-FK frictional force kinetic friction into efanayo sengathi ukuthi kufana since sekenzela okay because uya downward u-representa ngo-negative. Then uthi plus yawa-adda wonke lama force la ihambela khona object ihambela la inhlani la along lo line okanje hayi ngalapha adda wonke-ke yiphi enye FG parallel uya kuphi opposite direction ufaka i-sign o-negative sephelele awu-3 is equal to MA thina sofuna u-mass ka-B then kanje then suya-substitute-a kukhona so uthi i-tension ayikho i-tension i-frictional force ayikho i-frictional force then kodwa unikezweni ilo ama-coefficient of kinetic frictions. Uzokwenza njani-ke before lapho because unama-coefficient of kinetic friction eka-B then so yenza kanje and bese ngithi eka-B ubani bathe for mass M eka-M ubani 0.1 then eka-B 0.4 okay because lo kinetic friction uyarelate nalo ikhona iformula eba-indicator bobabili lapha asikwazi ukuthi lokho basinikeze isiqeqesho singamsebenzisi so wenza njani-ke sozama ukuthi si-calculate sozobheka-ke because ufuna u-FK is equal to UK multiplied by normal force ukhona u-UK shuthi into eshodayo yini is a normal force yebo i-normal force uzokwenza njani-ke uzosubstitute i-normal force naye awuyinikwanga kodwa since lama force ewo-2 lawa angithi sithe thina awukwazi ukuthi udwebe u-FG nama-components wakhe shuthi lo kumele angabikho la mangabe sodwebela aba-2 kukanjalo then sizokwenza njani-ke FG thatha njengokuthi akekho khona la ama-components wo-2 then kuba kanjani-ke lama force lawa FG perpendicular no-normal force they are balanced, they are equal magnitude. Lo mayidonsa ngo-10 Newton eyisaphezulu nalo udonsa ngo-10 Newton eyaphansi. Leyo nto yenza ukuthini? Yenza ukuthi into edonswayo leya mass leya inganyakazi ihlale ila ikhona. Ingakho kuba kanjalo. Futhi amandla alama force wethu ayalingana, banamandla alinganayo. Amandla ke siwabiza ngani thina la? Siwabiza nge-force, yona force. Futhi lama force wo-2 ayalingana but ayekutha endaweni ezi-opposite ezihlukene. Then sozothini? Futhi-ke sozothi normal force because ayikho iformula ye-normal force. Uzothi normal force is equal to FG perpendicular. So uthini? Normal force is equal to FG perpendicular. FG perpendicular ulingana nobani yena is equal to mg cos theta, yebo? Is cos theta. Kodwa la okay, i-cos theta ngithi yebo. Kodwa ubozothi nayo i-x angathi i-x vertical. Bekufuneka kube u-sin theta. Yabo bungayibamba kanjalo kodwa ke lana ke iyashintsha kumele uyazi ukuthi iyashintsha la. Kuba u-cos le etha like vertically endaweni engathi vertical. ya kuba kanje sorry for ilokhu njani for i-camera ya kuba kanje FG perpendicular is mg cos theta ya perpendicular like kodwa ke formula ms then mg cos theta kushuthi la isikhaleni se-normal force sizosubstitute le because beya equal then uthole u-FQ wakho uzoba ubani u-substitute 0.4 multiply by mg cos theta imass yakhe iwubani imass kabani leyo kushuthi sungenza wena ukuthini vele usubstitute nje u-m then u-g u-9.8 uhlezi u-9.8 bese kuba u-cos bani i-angle le esuke ifaka la yipi akusiyo le i-angle esuke ifaka la ile angle le ela ekhandeka kwi-incline nesurface le angle le 30 degrees le FG ama-component ka-FG yahlezi esebenza la ngale angle lela omabili ama-components wakho FG parallel and perpendicular then 30 degrees then punch calculator yakho la ukuthi 0.4 times 9.8 cos 30 uthola 49 root 3 over 25 izinamba ngi-multiply ezodwa then ngase ngithi multiply by u-m eceleni okay like noma senze njani simsubstitute lo m wethu ukuthi abe ubani imass ka-block B iwubani iwu-4m then somsubstitute ke like esikhaleni se-m shothi sofaka bani 4m isikhaleni sa-m sofaka bani fana ukuthi sifaka bani isikhaleni salo m lo sofaka 4m ya kuba kanje ya kuba kanje then yini lena i-frictional force yethu then ya kukanje then sozoza la nayo sozothi sizosubstitute i-frictional force ithi a tension minus i-frictional force yabo futhi ngomthatha nalo form multiply la minus 4 times because in numerator multiply by 49 root 3 over 25 m yabo u-negative uqhamukephi ngithe negative multiply by positive then yagcina i-result aku-negative mesithi negative multiply by positive uzophuma u-negative sisubstitute le FG parallel ubani yena ubani FG parallel is mg sin theta yamba ukuthi u-actor to the ground la to the ground like work relevance kanjani kuba u-cos theta lapho but la kuyashintsha ke la ku-incline izoba u-sin theta izoba u-mg sin theta then seyizoyenza kanjani ke FG perpendicular is equal to so perpendicular is mg parallel is equal to mg sin theta then imvelo ka-m ubani is mg sin theta sinento kanje so substitute ku-formula ethi mg sin theta ulingana nobani FG parallel is equal to mg sin theta then so substitute la manje so faka lo imass yakhe uB ubani u4m imass la yakhona u4m nakho 4m then times 9.8 uG times 9.8 sin 30 degrees yabo masula vele usuyabona ukuthi unama anoni awungakhi okay asikaqedi ngithi substitute u-F net la is equal to ma ubani wethu it's 4m konke lokhu yacela umfala u-equal to ivalue ka-m yethu ubani u4m then ivalue ka-a ubani i-acceleration iwu2 bobabili bamba ngespeed esifanayo sibe connected la multiply by 2 futhi ithini ithi tension minus la wethu ama like term ungawa add then uzowenza kanjani uthi 4 because ama like term negative minus negative ushiyo m but ungabafaki vele bangena i-calculator wenze le number uthi le number minus le number bese uthole leyo answer then ekugcineni ufaka u-m because ikutshela ukuthi mangabe kuyi2 yonke le number kusho ukuthi ikhona u2m minus mhlawumbe la maku3 yonke le number nale minus 3m kufana ukuthi u-3 minus 4 or minus 3 or m uba u-3 no m uba u-2 kanjalo yabo example. Then so uzo substitute ke wena ukuthi substitute la uzowenza ama like 10 uzothi minus 4 times 9.8 root 3 minus 4 times 9.8 sin 30 thola u-22, u-minus 22, 3159 m yonke lento moyi-add izokhiphela le number le but ama-decimal so round off to maybe 4 decimal ukuthi anti be accurate. Then seswa 80 lama terms oyi2 lawa then is equal to lama term oyi2 lawa seswa lokhu nje seswa 80 siswenze la then sekuzobani ke ya seswenze oyi2 sawa add la then sesizoba u-ma yabo u4m times 2 zoba u8m equation 1 oyi2 ke lo then u8m yabo futhi kusena ama like 10 because ano m boy2 ama like 10 ngam transpose ngapha kodwa still ngekwazi ukuthola because ukuthola u-m wakho ukuthi ubani why because kusena le value wathi i-unknown futhi sukhanda enye equation 1 wethu lo so ukhanda yesibili equation ikhanda ngayiphi ngale enye object so uthi i-force ka-F lapho siya substitute ayubani iu56.83 nakho then object A lo minus ini i-frictional force ayikho ke frictional force senza njani mayingekho frictional force sithi mu k kulingana no 0.1 i-coefficient of kinetic friction ukuze sicalculate i-frictional force formula ithi Fk is equal to mu k times normal force then mu k is 0.1 times siya ku-object A ukuthi normal force iyubani vela ayikho formula calculate normal force kodwa ikhona i-force elingana nobani normal force then object A nangu object A wethu athi bese i-Fibonacci diagram yakhe normal force lingana nayiphi nale enye ezo extendeka la because they are balanced. Okay, yiphi lo force now say i-Fibonacci diagram ka A le yabo because sena lo F then i-force balance nayo FG parallel perpendicular la so FG perpendicular lo yeah kuba kanje then ayalingana lama force in magnitude because la ayazama ukuyidonsa le force le object lona uthi iwoza phansi lo normal force uthi iza phezulu why ke engahambi le object ngoba banamandla lenganayo igcina seyime endaweni eyodwa nje ingabeki movement yiko sithi ayalingana ngokwe magnitude then yeah then should see ulingana nobani no FG perpendicular la yabona lingana no FG perpendicular so uthi so thini FG perpendicular then normal is equal to FG perpendicular ngithi nakho so substitute FG perpendicular because bayalingana ulingana nobani FG perpendicular ulingana no mg cos theta yeah mg cos theta kanje nesiya substitute 0.1 multiply by i-mass yakhe ubani object A u-m yabo multiply by u-m isikhanisa u-m ufaka u-m yabo then multiply by 9.8 cos engiloyifaka yiphi le ekhanda kwi-incline because ama-force akhanda yi-weight lawo 30 degrees. Then sewuthi-ke 0.1 multiply by 9.8 multiply by 9.2 multiply inamba lezi zodwa multiply by 9.8 cos 30 then yabo sola ba 0.1 multiply by 9.8 cos 30 sola 0.8487 m multiply by lo m egcineni frictional force ke le. Sesiyabuya kahle so substitute because sesinayo frictional force substitute kule formula so substitute izinto substitute la nala bese substitute kule formula le sithi izinto sayisubstitute la. Lezi step nje sihlane esendleleni sesibone siyadingeka sesithi u-f wethu bani it's 56.83 we are upward positive then minus frictional force yethu bani nayi 0.8487 m then substitute bani FG parallel positive multiply by negative is negative FG parallel lingana no mg sin theta ngithi isikhaleni sa m sofaka m isikhaleni sa g sifake bani 9.8 isikhaleni sa sin theta sifake bani 30 degrees then konke lokho kulingana nobani no ma u-m ubani ufaka u-m because object a yakhona bani acceleration yabo yafana is 2 then so yenza njena so uthi lawa bobayi-2 okay khona kunye esengicishe ngakukhohlwa sasela ama-force actayo imaphi ile object A khona siyishilo i-force applied then i-frictional force and tension bese kuba nani no FG parallel because yabo ngikhohle u-add tension la there is tension lo then because of G parallel u-extenda kulo mangabe lo engasekho then shothi force enye extra downward ezoba negative is tension shothi la sinobani sino plus minus tension noma singathi plus then masithi minus tension then shothi la meqhubeka ithi plus minus tension kanje yeah ngathemba ngisase right then so add ama like term lawa no m wodwa no m oleya inayo m low no m okay you are add all2 shothi 56.83 uhambela yedwa kana yelo kunjani yakhe u-m i-like term yakhe then so uthi 0.84 le number le minus le ngithobo m lo answer leyo uthola bani u-minus 5.7487 m lawo yi2 wa-8 then qhubeke no t minus t is equal to 2m sesifikile egcineni so ufuna u-m angithini sifuna u-m for u-m senza njani-ke sinama equation awu2 manje sesiyabona minus lo nangu m u-m vele uyafana usendaweni ezodwa no t uyafana usho ukuthini lokho masifuna u-m singenza noma yini esithandayo singasubstitute u-t la or u-m la but-ke singasubstitute bani u-t obvious because mase sino t senza u-t as subject of the formula kuzoba bani t is equal to sasuthi simise ngapha sizoba positive then kusele bala kusele u56.83 nobani no minus 5.7187 m uthi mise ngapha then thatha lo umeqisele ngale mayise ngale uzoba u minus 2m angithi minus 2m yabo still ekuseni nama like term low no m nalo no m ama like term then yazithi the number le minus the number then uthola i-answer yakho then lo akana like term 56.83 minus lo minus leyo answer izophuma izoba i-negative number uzothola 7.7487 yenza sure ukuthi abantu decimal laba la ngemuva maningi because of our final answer then because ikubani at numbers ngo m nala izoba in terms of m then sokuyena equation 2 wakho then siyokwenza njani ke siyasifithatha lo thilo umsubstitute la because strings isodwa ifose lapha sikwabi yafana babili ichumeke kubo babili bane tension eyodwa i-string asikhombili then suthatha u1 umfake la then uthola u-m wakho futhi la isikhathi sathu uzofaka le number u56.83 misusa la so ufakile isikhathi sathu yiyo lento imele uthi yonke then suqhubeka uzofaka lo minus 22.3159 m is equal to 8m then susolve m kuphela ke manje la yabo ukuthi le number le vele kumele ushiye yodwa la uthathe labo m bobo bayise ngale futhi kuzobani masibayisa ngale sizo transpose ababe positive then futhi lonke izi numbers zosize positive ngale so uyayi-add zonke nalo 8 so uthi 7.8 le number le masingale plus 22.3159 plus 8 phuma bani mase zonke lezi number zino m zingapha phuma bani phuma u38.0646 m lezi zinto boyi-add in terms of m is equal to lo sale yedwa la 56.83 so yenza njani ke to get rid of lento le because wena ufuna u-m angithi futhi uzodivide ngayo bodivide ngayo vele ikhanda u1 multiply la kusale ku-m yedwa so yenza njani so uthi le number engapha uzodivide la divide by the number lana sisele no-m elingana nobani lingana nalona divide by lo futhi kuzoba 56.83 divide by answer yethu bekuyilo u-m wethu u1.493 kg yabo ivelo wa m thina sifuna ivelo wabani ublock b calculate imass ka block b futhi kuzobani block b kuzobani imass ka block b mass of block b is equal to 4m then isikhanisa m substitute le number kuzoba u4 multiply by 1.493 then lingana nobani kuma u5.97 then sovumelekile ukuthi round off to 2 decimal places kubo 4 kanje then iba kumabani iba kuma kgs because paper 1 lo kg bekuyiyona kanje like kuyi-summarize ke le kuyi-summarize le question ukuthi senze njani bathi asicalculate imass ka block b senze njani thina sirealize ukuthi imass ya block b like imass representa i-symbol m u-m utholakala kiphi formula ukuze siqale nje sibone ukuthi sithola kanjani ama-marks utholakala kule formula le for block b then so substitute zonke izinto zizama ukwenza lo substitute of the formula senza lokho sidense maye i-net force ikupho kubalekile bekungamele sikhohle i-force ama-components e-weight ukuthi mase uwenza ama-calculations iwona asebenzayo lo uyamkhipha udwebe lawo wethu uyafchiparela ukuthi extra downward always then suyawa-adda yiwo-ke lawa asebenzayo wa-adda la sawa-adda sathola ukuthini frictional forces sinayo kodwa sinani sine-coefficient of kinetic friction senza kwi-formula yakhona senza kule then sa-realize ukuthini u-n asinayo still kodwa ulingana nobani no-fg perpendicular then shuthi bayalingana then esikhaleni sakhe and substitute lo because they are balanced. Then sathola u-FK, then kwayindlela efanayo-ke senza lapho sasenzile senza la safika la sathola ukuthi there are two unknowns, then equation 1 equation 2 senze kanjalo-ke into efanayo nakhona identify ama-forces akhona, then ukuthi kunale then tension no-FG parallel futhi ukhona la because sine-weight nayo eyaphansi. Then bekuyilokhu nje about le question le. Then i-maths yethu siyithole kanje, round off to 2 decimal places as the final answer.